Welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you oregano cheese snacks. This is very amazing recipe. So don't waste your time. Let's start making our snacks. First we need 250 gram white flour, 50 gram butter, 1 teaspoon salt. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, butter and salt. Use a pastry cutter or your finger to work the butter into the flour until you have a crumbly texture. Add the ice cold water to the mixture, stirring with a spoon until the dough comes together. Dough is ready. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it a few times. Form the dough into a rectangle. Spread the butter on your dough. Repeat the rolling and folding process 2 more turns. Cut into 5 same-sized pieces. Same procedure again. Now I prepare snacks for baking. You can make any shapes. Put into baking paper one by one. I brush with egg white. Put on top mozzarella cheese, sprinkle the oregano and black seeds. Bake in preheated oven for 20 minutes. Your oregano cheese snacks are ready. If you like my recipe, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.